Hi everyone, my name is Coach Shelton. Right, so let's get started. So when I'm saying the numbers 2, 3, the first two will be on the left and the second 3 will be on the right. So if I say 3, 3, I mean 3 from left and 3 from right. 4, 1, 4 from left and 1 from right. So Nhemamusasa has got 4 stages, right? So we're going to learn it with those stages. So the first stage, we are going to use double keys, or we are going to strum it using double keys or two keys, one from the left and one from the right. So we are starting with 2 and 3, which means 2 from your left and 3 from your right. Remember, we are using the bottom keys only. So we are going to play it twice. 2, 3. Then we move to 2, 1, which means 2 from the left and 1 from the right. Then 1, 1, meaning 1 from the left and 1 from the right. Right. That's the first stage. It's so simple. 2, 3, 2, 1, and 1, 1, like this. Then we move on to the second stage. Second stage, we are starting 2, 3, then 3, 4. 3 from the left and 4 from the right. Then 4, 1. 4 from the left and 1 from the right. So combining it together will be like that's the second stage. Remember, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1. Like so, combining the first stage and the second stage. First stage, remember, we're starting from 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, then 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1. Now, the third stage, it's 1, 2, then 3, 4, then 4, 1. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 1. That's the third stage. Then the final stage, it's 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2. Then all the stages together, it's 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2. Now you have to combine all the stages together. Right, remember, you start slowly. Sorry. Again. Right, if you are able to do that, you send that into my inbox. Then we will move on to the second stage, which is key separation. We'll separate the keys. After key separation, we'll move to key replacement. Now we will be adding the keys on the top. Thank you so much.